ball. Their ball, Parker. Back out of the circle. Parker, out of the circle. There you go. Once they kick off, you can go for it. Go for it now, Parker.
Let's go, boys, to defend. Emerson, stay tight. Eric, go back to your right side. You're too close now. Lois, let's try to win it back. Be aggressive, yeah? Boy, back up, back up, back up. Get a touch on it, Ethan. Daniel, get a touch.
Parker, don't be scared of the ball.
Eric, find a pass. Unlucky. Get up, get up. Unlucky. That's fine. Lois, have it. Daniel, leave
Finn,
it
be
alone.
ready for it. Finn, be ready for it.
Have it at the goal.
Usually has like a
Unlucky. Good idea.
Good save, Finn. Good save. Good, Joey. Good. Your throw, Joey. Your throw.
We're playing on that field.
Not to the middle, Liam. Never to the middle.
Have a shot, Lois, if you can. Unlucky. At the build-out line,
Good
boys.
save, Liam. Good
Right,
save.
force at the build-out. Go for it, Lois. Now. Go for it. He stopped it.
Roman, you should be there. Roman, get in there closer. Get closer to him.
Well done, boys. Defense.
Roman, let him throw it. Let him roam. Get open, get open. Remember, behind. Roman, watch your feet. Roman, watch your feet where the line is. Stay behind the line. Oh, there you go. There you go. Much better, Roman.
Well done. Can we get, boys, let's attack the goal, right? Lois and Daniel, if you see that ball coming across, we got to go towards it. Yeah, don't back away from it.
Be ready for it, boys. Joey, behind you.
Go for it. Ethan, stay back.
Roman, you should be there. You're not a striker. You should not be up here. Roman, you are right wing. You should not be up here. You should be back there helping.
Keep it up. Ethan, great job.
Pass it back, Parker. Pass it back. There you go. Good. Better passes, Parker. Go, Parker. Go. Go to it. Go to it. Go to that ball, Parker. Good, Parker. Good hustle.
Good touch.
Keep hustling for it.
Great work, Joey. Good hustle.
Good on it.
We're gonna. That's the field.
Go kick, boys. Go kick. Roman, be at the build-out line wide. Right there. Right there. You stay right there. Okay? Now you're open. Good save, Finn. Roman, watch the ball.
Right. Because they'll put your hands up if the ball comes. Yeah, you're allowed to. Or
Good on it. Keep fighting for it. Good on it.
now, I just have practice.
Great job, Eric.
Okay? Yourself is more important.
Boys, watch the ball. You guys should not be talking. Watch the ball.
You got it? We're I say?
Liam, you're good right there. Good.
Okay, I know.
Great stuff, Ethan. Great stuff. Well done. Great work, Ethan. Matas covering center spot.
Alex, you're going to go in for...
Try.
I mean, she doesn't, it's nothing broken, it's just her bad. It's getting better. Like, the impact is here where there's nothing. You know, the black eye, it's like
Let's walk
amazing
him
how
halfway
the
like
body works. You know, but the impact is here, and then it's dark here and up here around time. It's getting a lot better. And I take pictures every single day. So you guys see
Off the field. The next up,
right
okay?
there. Yeah, and I don't know, like, I'm not sure that concussion, but I really don't know.
Go to it, Roman. Don't wait for it. Go to it.
Like, the brains are
That's you, Liam. That's you, Liam.
Well done, Daniel.
Refs up. Roman. Parker.
Not so good, but after this, I'm gonna do brilliant.
Good stuff, Daniel. Good work, Eric. Go hustle, Eric.
Hey, what's up the second half, Foley? Ready? Okay, so
That's you, Joey.
Great job, Ethan.
How long is this thing on?
Good save. Go, Alex. Go, Alex. Use that speed, Alex. Use that speed.
It's been on for 30 minutes.
Great pass. Eric, go after it. Close him in. Well done, Matas.
It's all right, boys. It's all right. It's all right.
So like 25
I can just get right. Just take 1 second. That's 6 minutes.
Go ahead, next one. Next one. Yeah.
Wait, I want to go striker.
I just put everything.
Good save, Steve. Good save. Ref, I don't think we can drop kick at this age.
Oh, you're right.
Just. Don't worry. Yeah.
We're on that field.
That's you, Alex. Go to it. Go to it, Joey. Good save, Finn. Good save. Good. Hold it. Hold it. Now. Look at Onik.
Take out Matas, yeah?
Good, Joey. Can you get it to Everett? Good idea, Onik. Good idea. Good, boys. Good.
Next next up.
Onik, drop back a little bit to help out defend. Drop and help out defend a little bit. Onik, right there, 15. Joey, you stay back. Good, Onik, good.
Play, boy, come on. Well done. Go ahead, Matas.
Joey, just play until you hear the whistle, all right?
And let's see. Go ahead. Lois, can you cover the right back for now, Lois? Play right back for now. Just for now. Go ahead.
Striker?
Yeah, striker, go. And then Sebastian. Never mind, on the next one. You already subbed, but Emerson on the right after he goes up. Sub, can we still ref? Ref, can we still sub? Emerson.
Stop. Let's go.
Not yet, on the next one.
Oh, 11 minutes. Next out. Yo,
Next
it's been
one.
11 minutes. On the next goal or the next game?
The next sub.
11 minutes. Wait, when is the next sub?
Ball goes out.
You know, like I think someone.
Don't get it out. Yep. That is not on yet. Woo! Yes.
Good, keep going for it, boys. Keep fighting for it. Good, Joey. Good idea. You got out of space, Ever. Alex, go up with him.
Good try, Lois.
We're
Daniel, can you cover for Lois now? Please.
Beautiful, Alex. Good idea. Great idea.
Yo, what is that kick?
Try.
On it.
Go ahead. Eric, reps up. Eric.
No, other side, Parker. Other side. That side.
Go to
Great hustle.
reps up. Still. Next play. Next one.
Now pressure. Roman, you should be there.
Good, Sebastian. Be aggressive.
Remember, you're not a defender. You should be up.
Good stuff. Go ahead, Joe. Can we finally dribble, Joe? Go for it, Joe.
Good, Joey. Good idea.
Go ahead, Daniel.
Now get their back, Joey. Get back. Still in.
Cross the ball, Daniel, if you can.
Good, Joey. It's still in. Keep going. Good.
Peter, say hi. I'm the striker, right? Keep finding your passes. Well done. Daniel, can you find a pass? Control, find a pass. You won't find a shot now. Unlucky. Oh, rest up. Ilir.
Alex, when you see Kyle have the ball, try to check out wide. Okay? So instead of being here more in the middle, check out wide so that way you're here in spot and you have all this space here. Okay?
Come here. Not yet. You're gonna go in soon. Alright, you're gonna go in.
No, Joey, not to the middle. Parker, be wide at the build-out line. At the build-out line. At the build-out line, be wide. Wide. That's not wide. Get closer. At the build-out line. Look where the build-out line is. Now go towards the sideline. Towards the sideline. There you go, Parker. Right there. Good. Much better. Roman. Just keep going, keep going.
Good job. Eric. Yeah, I'll put you at some right back.
Parker, watch the ball.
Sebastian. Go, Sebastian. Oh, you, Sebastian.
That's you, Alex. No, Alex, not there.
Go, Peter.
Alex, play right defender, okay?
Good job, Peter.
Kyle, move to right wing. Move to right wing. There you go. Good.
Well done. Ethan, go ahead, Ethan. Unlucky. Good. Be strong, Lois. First. Yes, Lois. Great stuff.
That's it.
Ethan, can we find the next pass? Well done, Ethan. Great
What's your
work.
name, bud?
Ilir.
You're a baller, dude.
Have a shot, Ethan, if you want. Have your left.
It's all right, boy. It's all right.
Great job. Reps up.
It's all right. It's all right.
Daniel, come take a breather.
Am I in?
Yes, center mid. Boy, let's find our passes now. Eric. Eric, go in. Here, we'll go to the middle.
I'm over there.
No, on the field, not on the field, not on the field.
So I'm over there.
Great job, Lois. Oh, actually, take out Ethan.
If you can.
Yeah, Ethan playing left back.
Good pass, Parker.
Grab it. Ball down, Matas. No, Daniel. I think you're good for the day. You play the whole game already. Daniel, sit down. Take it. No, I know. Sit down, Daniel. You can't be standing there or else they give you a sub. Emerson. There's a game. There's warning of Emerson. Emerson, listen. Oh, you're not going in. Okay. Come back.
Good, Alex. Good, Joey. Refs up. Kyle.
Ethan.
Kyle. Joey.
Come take a breather.
closer, get
Ilir.
closer to the goal line.
Ilir. Make sure you're trying to help out with defense. Yeah, you can go up, but trying to help out with defense. Pay attention. Eric, stay closer to Lois.
Alex, we gotta get rid of it sooner.
Find your pass, Perfecto. Find your pass, Sebastian. Go at an angle. Good. Peter, heads up. Good idea. Joe, get ahead of it.
Good, Parker. Keep going, Roman. Keep going.
Good work, Lois.
Good, Liam. Good idea, Liam. Great idea. Good, Parker. Good, Parker. Keep fighting for it, Onik. You keep fighting for it. Alex, that's why we don't leave our position. You leave the middle open. All right, just watch that. If you see someone in the middle, don't push. Just stay there.
Peter, Joe, connect your passes. Yeah, before we have. I need boys. 10 up to 5 passes. 5 passes before we move.
Over here.
fighting for that ball.
Good on it!
Usually I play a whole.
There's 3 of us there! Go run with him! Run with him! Run with him!
Great job, Ilir. Ilir, find a way to get rid of the ball. Good, Sebastian. Turn. Find a pass. Look at Peter.
Get there.
Peter,
Get there.
show.
As fast as you can.
Look at Peter to your right.
Come out, Finn! Great save, Finn!
Peter, I want you to raise your hand, screen for the ball. Yeah.
Everett, can we pass it sooner? Boys.
Nope. You're right.
Wait, what?
Go, Roman. Go, Roman. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep going, Roman. Keep going, Roman.
Good
All the
try,
way.
Eric. Well done,
Look at
Eric.
Everett in the middle. Look at Everett in the middle.
Can we go in?
All right, Seb, go for it. Sebastian, come on out. Ilir, come on out. No, you have 2 more goals. You're good. I gotta let all of you. You score like 4 here.
Parker, you should be there to help out pressing.
Well done, Eric. Play the passes. Emerson, Peter,
I think it's that white one.
pass the ball. Sebastian, you got
It's like that one. It's like that one.
Yeah.
Find a pass. Find a pass. That's fine. Boys, let's pass around. Pass around. Use your teammate. Use your teammate.
Good save on it.
Good idea.
Go to it, Parker. Go. Can you dribble? Can we dribble, Parker? Good. Good, Parker. Good.
Here! Here!
Go up with him. Go with him. Go with him. Go with him.
Alex! Pass! Here.
Good.
Great, Kyle. Great, Kyle.
Good, Kyle. Good. Good hustle, boys. Good hustle. Let's keep that hustle. It's all right.
Now you can shoot.
Connect your pass. Let's go. Find your passes. Good. Find your passes. Emerson, find your passes before you go forward.
Good, Joey.
Connect those passes. Connect the passes.
Good on it.
Why not? All right, boys. Everyone bring it in.
Bring it in, boys. Bring it in.
Everyone bring it in.
Bring it in. Bring it in, boys. Bring it in. keep our heads up, okay? Our heads up. Let's go, okay? On to the next game. Okay, hands in. Gatos. Okay, good game force. Alright? Good game force. Ready? Lowest. Force. Good game force. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good game force. Behind Ben. Behind Ben.
Line up.